Tired of playing product roulette when sourcing from overseas? This video will show you how to leverage Allchinabuy's quality control photos to ensure you're getting exactly what you paid for. First, log into your Allchinabuy account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Next, navigate to the My Order section. This is usually located in your account dashboard or profile menu. Look for a button or link that says My Orders, Order History, or something similar. Find the specific order you want to review the QC photos for. You might have to scroll through a list of orders if you've made multiple purchases. Click on the order to view its details. This will take you to a page with all the information related to that particular purchase, including the product description, quantity, price, and shipping information. Look for a section labeled Quality Inspection. QC photos or something similar might be located near the product images or within a separate tab or section of the order details page. Click on the thumbnail images to enlarge the QC photos. Take your time to carefully examine each image. Look for any defects, inconsistencies, or discrepancies between the product and the product description. Pay close attention to details like stitching, color accuracy, logo placement, and overall finish. Compare these details to the product specifications and your own expectations. If you identify any issues with the product based on the QC photos, contact the supplier immediately. Allchinabuy typically has a system in place for resolving disputes and requesting returns or exchanges if the product doesn't meet your standards. By utilizing this feature, you can proactively address quality concerns and safeguard your investments.